Is the edges, right? And she texted me right after because I posted it. She's like, oh, you're recording.
Anyway.
I mean,
here we go, some early morning ripping. Hike up to the Easter chair.
hey, after the chairlift burned down.
Here we go. Oh yeah, dude.
It's like quarter battery already.
Basically. Made it to the top of the Easter. Heck yeah. Hell yeah. I didn't get the cool snacks. Got your rocks, dude. Yeehaw! To the Black Forest. Yep, buddy.
Hit that comment.
Let's get some pow pow. Oh! Yeah! Woo! Man, I like your cat. I gotta get a good film here. Hell yeah.
I think I'm gonna open up that monster in the chair.
Hell yeah.
You guys want to go back over that way?
Sure. Yeah, buddy.
Oh man!
Woo!
Pulling the rope.
There they go, opening up the rope. Oh my God. Woo!
That's good shit.
Here we go. Goodness.
Oh, that's a leg burner.
Yeah, it is, buddy.
Back on the first one on the Tammy, bud.
It's pretty straggly down here.
Yeah, it does.